For reasons unknown, my order of my Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra has been postponed, probably due to the Buds 3 Pro quality control issue that is going on. But I did finally get some hands-on time with the watch, and here are some early impressions.
Now everybody scream enough respect to the X. Enough respect given.
So as it happens, I'm walking through the mall, getting in those steps with the Classic today. And the Samsung store, as always, I checked in, and they finally had the actual Watch 7 Ultra. Not the dummies that I saw before, but the actual watch on display. So as you know, at the beginning of the video, I did state that I'm waiting for mine to come to get picked up at that same store. So I finally got a chance to play with it, see how it moves, see how it works, and for the most part, same software as the two watches I currently have. But using it, you see slight differences, that I picked up with the short time that I was able to use it. It seems to move a little bit smoother. I guess that's par for the course. The Watch 5 moved a little jumpy every now and then, and they got a little better with the 6. So I would only assume that the 7, with the new chipset and all that, would have addressed those issues. And apparently it did. The rotation of the digital bezel, just like before, not very accurate, but it was there. I was able to get it to work every now and then. But yeah, it is yet to be seen if the watch itself is actually worth the asking price, especially for someone like me who has the two previous models. It's not like the Watch Ultra combines the two as I had originally thought. I really did think that it had the physical bezel on so that you can spin to, move through your menus and tabs. And if I had the battery life of the 5 Pro, and then the ruggedness that the Ultra is said to have. So 3 separate devices combined into one to make an Ultra device. I'm still curious about the watch. I hope to get mine soon enough, but there is a good chance that my delivery is being held up due to the fact that I also pre-ordered the Buds 3 Pro. And if you've been following, there is a quality issue with them, so all deliveries have been postponed till August. Kind of sucks, because that probably means that my delivery, being that the Buds Pro is part of it, is going to be held back as well. They probably won't want to send out 2 separate items, though according to the guy in Samsung, if I wanted to, I could just bought the watch there today, a day early. So we'll see. Still a little excited though, because of that watch. It did make me go back and really get into the weeds with my Watch 5 Pro and my Watch 6 Classic to see if the Watch 7 Pro is, thank you, if the Watch 7 Pro is worth the asking price. But all in due time. Now, I did find the bands for the Watch 7 Ultra to be more interesting than originally thought. Whatever textures they are using on them are different, and you can feel that difference. I was surprised by how rugged, I don't know the name of it, but there was the black band. It felt really good. The texture on it kind of like, almost like a little sand, like it could grip your wrist very well. Not that the watch would go anywhere because it is clasped, but the texture on it just felt, you know, like this is what you use when you want to go mountain climbing or something crazy. It gave you that feeling. The white one wasn't as pronounced as the black one. Same kind of thing. You could feel the texture that they use on kind of like I said, little bulbs of, I don't know, plastic, but it was there. Then the orange one, if you've seen the Apple Watch Ultra, it's just a really large rubber band. Now I know these things come in different colors and all of that. I really wouldn't mind seeing the rubber one in a blue, but that black one, you know, that one felt the best to me. It wasn't as smooth as the rubber one. It had more of the granules than the white one, but it just seemed like that is the band you would wear on a watch considered an ultra tier, high endurance, high durability watch. So I hope I ordered that one. I really don't know. I know I got a band free, and I didn't go by the names or what. I just went by the color. I want a black band, but I do hope that is the one on my order sheet, because I really did like the way that felt. I think it will really help out with or help the case for me actually keeping the Watch 7 Ultra. So with that said, my name is NG, the Neon X, and still excited about the Watch 7 Ultra. This is what I'm into.